Hello and welcome to another update video about Tesla. Yeah, Tesla gapped up nicely today. We now have our confirmation that we indeed are following our wave count very nicely. A few days ago, I think it was last week, I made my last Tesla update and highlighted to you that obviously here in our trend reversal area, price likely already reversed and might already be in wave 5. But in wave 5 of 3, but that we need confirmation through a break above the B wave high. You can see how quickly things sometimes take place. So it's an amazing one because we had a trend reversal area here where we expected price to turn around, and we had one here for the wave 4, and highlighted to you in the last video that wave 4 might be in. So everything was well known, no surprise to anyone that Tesla goes higher and actually goes up quite aggressively, because if you look at this and also the wave count that was communicated in the last videos was that we are here likely in a third wave, and this is currently third wave behavior. Third waves are typically very strong, very aggressive, and yeah, there was a catalyst, but that is just something that acted as a catalyst to increase the volatility and to play out the trend that was already playing out, right? To accelerate the trend that was already playing out, which is fantastic. With the Elliott waves, we measure market sentiment, and catalysts and news and fundamentals, they can influence sentiment, but they are only one factor of sentiment, yeah? They're only one single factor. So there are times where sentiment is a little bit more influenced by fundamentals, but most of the time it's just the pure crowd sentiment that's acting. And yeah, we had everything built into the chart for a further rally, so that's fantastic. Not much more to say really. I mean, we broke now above the third wave high, the third of a third wave. So we are now likely in the fifth of a third wave. You can see that I would expect a further rally to go higher, and that this can cascade much higher still. Now it's all about, okay, what is the next target? I think I mentioned it in the last video, but I can't remember fully. But we have an area of resistance, structural resistance, around 310 to 315. Quite a substantial one, okay? So we had resistance back here in September 22, in August 22, in August 22. And then a little bit more here in May 22, here quite substantially in February 22. So this is an area where I would expect resistance, and I would expect price to go there now as well. Maybe not in a straight line, but we look at getting there. 310, yeah, 310. Does that also add up with our targets for the Fibonacci extensions for the waves? Because we can use Fibonacci extension targets to calculate wave targets. So we use the length of, oh dear, 1 second, I made a mistake there. Need to take the length of waves 1 through 3. We go to the low of the wave 4, and hey, there you go. The 61.8 extension takes us to round about 315, 316, yeah? So I wouldn't be surprised to get there. That is a very common target. I would already expect a little bit of resistance at the 38.2 extension target, but that would be quite weak in this situation. So I would fully expect at the moment Tesla to go higher, and that assumption is valid, yeah, that we are in the fifth wave as long as we're holding the 241 level. As long as we're holding 241, it is expected to go higher in the fifth wave at the moment. As we go a little further and as we get a bit more structure, we will be able to give further smaller degree support areas. At the moment, I do analyze Tesla regularly for gold members on our main channel, More Crypto Online, but we are thinking about doing something properly here on the More Trading Online channel as well, because a lot of people are interested in individual stocks. So we think about doing a separate stocks and shares update membership here, or something where charts are shared on a daily basis. Maybe let me know in the comments if you're interested in that as well. But yeah, for now, it's expected to go higher to 315, 316, and then we take it from there. That could be the target for the fifth wave. They can always extend higher, but for now I would pay attention to that. Then a wave 4 down, and then one more wave up, and then we take it from there. Yeah, that's at the moment my view here about Tesla. I hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.